In today's tip, we're going to boil down maintenance and reliability to its simplest understanding. This complex, even our framework, this complex world of maintenance and reliability and asset management can be overwhelming at times. So we're going to boil this down to 4 things. 4. You've got 4 things to do to turn your plan around, to make it reliable, for you to have a maintenance organization that, adds value. So let's break it down. Numero uno, number 1, don't be the source of problems. What does that mean? Well, 2 things in this space. 1, do the right things to the assets. Have the right PM strategy for your assets. Have operator care. Make sure the tasks associated with taking care of the assets are appropriate. And the second part of that is do things with a level of craftsmanship that'll make your mama proud. Do the work with skill and attention to detail. You have to have a level of craftsmanship in the work that you do, even if it's preventive maintenance work, where when you step away from it, you're proud of the work you did. It's aligned appropriately. Things are executed to a level of craftsmanship that you can step away from and be proud of. Number 2 on our list is, even if we do things with a level of craftsmanship, those assets have wear components. So we want to slow down degradation. So number 2, slow down degradation. What does that mean? That means have a well-established lubrication program. Make sure that we're not putting particles into our equipment that exceed the tolerance of the equipment. Have the appropriate lubrication at the right ISO standard, slow down degradation. Align things with a laser. Balance things appropriately. These things slow down the wear and degradation of wear components. Number 3 on our list. Since wear components are going to wear no matter what, even if we slow down degradation, know in advance. For assets that are critical, use predictive technologies so we can understand that wear pattern and when it will be appropriate to replace wear components prior to unplanned or unscheduled downtime. So know in advance. And 4th on our list, the last thing we have to do is do all those other things efficiently. We have to plan work appropriately. Don't send work out into the field that you can't execute. If the job is not ready to go, don't waste the time of the trade staff. And schedule appropriately. If you're given time at a line or in an area to get a specific work order done, get all the work you can get done in that window of time. Be efficient as a maintenance organization. That's it. If you can do those 4 things, you will get better at maintenance and reliability. So, Reliability X, that's our goal. We want to educate the community and put things in simple terms so that it's understandable, absorbed, and, gains awareness. Share this video with other people in your organization so that they can understand what the goals of the maintenance organization are and how they achieve them. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and go make tomorrow better than today.